If you're watching this video, it means that you just shoot a picture from your iPhone and move it into your Windows operating system. Right now, you find out that you cannot open it, and you cannot even use it on Photoshop app. So in this video, we are going to figure that out. Let's jump to the screen. In the browser, I just search HEIC Copy Trans, and I need to open the Copy Trans website to download this app. But before downloading that, I need to tell you something. If you have Windows 11, you mustn't download anything because Windows 11 actually supports HEIC formats, and you can do a bunch of things. You can drag and drop an HEIC format into Photoshop, new versions of Photoshop. And I actually mean if you have Windows 11, you don't need that one. But if you have older versions of Windows 10 and lower versions of the Microsoft Windows, you need to download and install this app. So I just opened the link of this original website. In here, as you can see, for personal use, this software is free. So I hit on the free download. Again, I hit on the free download. Okay, as you can see, the auto download starts, but if it didn't download for you, you need to click in here. I just double click on the app. In here, you'll need to press next, accept the agreements, next, and then again, next, and hit on the install. Okay, right now the setup is already done, and it says if you want to fully install this app, you need to restart your computer right now. Because I'm recording a video, I hit on no, I will restart the computer later, and then hit on the finish. If you go in a HEIC file and right click on it, you will see convert HEIC with copy trans. You can convert it with JPEG, you can convert it into PDF, and you can also convert it into a PNG. Okay, this is a cool option that this software is going to show to you, and you can access into these cool options. So after this app successfully installed in your device and you have older versions of Windows operating system, if you want to open this HEIC file format, you need to go to the properties, okay, and in here change it and set it on copy trans viewer. With this way, you can easily open these HEIC formats on your old Windows operating system. All done. If this video was helpful, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you want, you can watch this video too. On that one, I'm going to tell you a cool software that you need to install in your operating system to improve Windows search speed. See you at the next one.